setup's got American Racing headers with 2-inch primaries and 3-inch collector, plus catless mids from a Hellcat.
Header?
Oh, yeah.
And then American Racing headers.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of exhaust is that?
It's a Hellcat OEM catback and American Racing long tube headers.
Wow.
Quiet.
Borla?
Borla?
Borla, yeah.
Yeah.
Catback?
4 Borla mufflers, American Racing long tube headers.
4 Borla?
Yes.
You didn't want to go eight mufflers?
Yeah. This is the quiet system.
Oh, it's the quiet system.
This is the quiet
You didn't want to get in trouble, that's why, right?
It's loud now.
Yeah, 100%. So 4 mufflers on this quiet one, eh?
Yeah. And cats.
And cats, yeah. Amazing. I love this build. It's great. What kind of exhaust on there?
SRT, full length header.
Oh, yeah.
And then American Racing headers.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's American Racing headers along too?
They're great. They're great.
Yeah.
It may totally change the vehicle. It dropped a pound of boost, obviously, because it doesn't create the boost on the lower end, but you gain one at the top end.
Can we hear it? I just want to hear one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this guy's got the right setup with the bag on the air filter.
Yeah.
Right?
Mine was constantly dirty.
And Ferradas too.
Yeah, Ferradas.
Jeez. That's loud, man. Woo. Damn. That is.
It's okay, right?
Oh yeah, it's just.
Cops love it.
Oh yeah.
What's up, buddy? Finally made it.
Oh damn.
It's in the park. It's in the park.
That's crazy.
Audi R8. Yeah.
I love this car. It's great.
And of course, here's my dad's car. Where's the Bugatti?
Over here, guys. Right in the corner.
Oh, in the corner.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Look what we got here.
Not even out loud, Cody.
That's it?
Alright, it's alright, I guess.
So American Racing long tube headers.
2-inch. It's from a Hellcat.
It's from a Hellcat?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the same part numbers from the Hellcat.
Go ahead, man.
Okay, now you're first gear. Now go. Gotcha. 390 to the wheel. Because stock one's dyno at 360.
Right.
I know because I used to own one.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So anybody that claims any higher numbers from long tubes is like, it's not going to happen.
Yeah. Dang, bro. Nice ride, bro.
Thanks, buddy.
What kind of exhaust is that?
It's a Hellcat OEM catback and American Racing long tube headers.
Really?
Yeah.
The OEM Hellcat one.
No, the headers are making American Racing.
Yeah,
long
but
tube, and the full catbacks right off the Hellcat.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
What year is this thing, man? It's great.
2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
I bought it in 13. An old guy owned it. It had like 10,000 kilometers.
Technically, they're like discontinued or something. They only sell it in like Australia or something. Dude, it's sick, man. That's so sick. Oh, this cam?
Yeah, cam heads.
Right,
Salt converter.
That's why it sounds so good. Oh, okay. Yeah.
It made 490 wheel and 450 torque on the wheels.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Yo, can you tap that? It's gonna I'll hear that. Nice. That's not bad, bro. Tracked it?
I've tracked it before. I did the heads and cam and before the stall converter. It did like 12.4.
What do you think? It'll use 12.4.
12.4, 114. It should do like 11.9 around 118 now. I think, or 12.0 at like 118.
Damn.
490 wheel, 447 torque.
God damn.
CGR did all this?
Half the work. The other half is Champion. I got it tuned to Champion, dyno tune, shit like that.
Cool.
So are you putting a wheelie bar on the back just in case?
No, it's not that fast.